slave. Wait, oh shit, is it raining? Oh shit, it's raining. Get inside, bro. Get inside. Get inside. Ah! Oh, wow. Wow, it's so pretty. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is so dang pretty. Oh, okay. Oh, damn. It's so pretty. Oh, shit. It's raining. Move. 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 Wait, isn't this Entangle? Sister, isn't this Entangle? Oh my gosh, daisies! Oh damn, nature is nice, but it's raining. Ah! Oh, wait. I'm gonna capture everything. Oh shit. It's freaking raining. Oh my gosh. I'm glitching. Bro, everyone is running down. I'm the only one left. Look at me. I'm freaking dying. Everyone is like, rock garden. Oh, slay. That's in my school. I want to capture everything and I don't want to get sick. Man, there's a wolf over there. It ain't no real. Bro, what is this Hershey Park, bro? I mean, Hershey's Park. I have no idea why. Look at the nature, damn. Damn. Look at that beauty. I'll meet you guys next. Bye. Holy shit. Hold on. Oh my gosh, I'll actually see you in the next video. Hope for me to survive. Bye. Brr.